This chair is super low. But if I go up too high, you'll see the stain on my shirt. So maybe I'll just... Hi, I'm Morgan, and this is Morgan Reviews. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 different makeup brush sets that are ideal for beginners. Like I said in my last video, full disclosure, I am a copywriter and I contribute to the app. I've been given all of these products for free in order to review them, and all of my opinions are my very own. I'm going to talk about 3 makeup brush sets today. All 3 of them are great gifts for, say, a teenager who wants to begin doing makeup, somebody who's just getting into it and learning about stuff. All 3 of these items do have quite a variety of brushes and also multiple brushes of the same kind sometimes. They're great if you are just getting into makeup and maybe not used to washing your brushes every day. The quality of the brushes that I'm going to show you today are very on par with that of the MAC travel sets. Now, if you're familiar with makeup, you'll know that the original MAC brushes with the long handles are like the gold standard. These are what they sell at TJ Maxx. They are still MAC branded, but MAC is into some hot nonsense with this series. So don't pay $40 for the MAC travel brush kits that they sell at TJ Maxx. No. First thing I'm going to show you today. Wow! 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 Look at how much. Okay. There's a lot of stuff here. So this is a 32-piece brush kit that costs $13 with shipping altogether. I would have shit myself over this when I was 14 years old. It smells like a pleather jacket factory. I am assuming that smell is coming from the case and not the brushes themselves. These all were individually wrapped for shipping. This fan brush is a little bit wonky because it was a little bit bent during shipping. This is sort of as big as the brushes get outside of the fan brush, meaning that you're not going to have a very good brush for all over coverage. You have a lot of little precision brushes here, but notice that many of them are the same shape. Again, like I said, that's going to be really good if you don't want to wash your brushes every day. Overall, for a beginner set, this is quite nice. For a kit that somebody new to makeup is going to love, you would be hard to beat it, but we're going to try anyway. Next kit. The truth is out there. This is a 12-piece brush set. It's a little bit more manageable for the purposes of this review. This isn't part of this. It's part of that other thing. So here are the 12 brushes that you're going to get. This whole thing in total costs $8, including shipping. This actually has a lot more variety in the shapes of the different things. Again, smells very powerfully. That's this pleather material. When I first got the fan brush out of the package, it was not doing very well, but it seems to have come back into shape quite nicely. In terms of the shapes of the brushes, this does have slightly nicer quality, but you're not going to get as many things. The complaint that I have with this set are right here at the joints. It just doesn't look very screwed on tight. Like, it doesn't fit very well. Even though I'm not able to pull this apart, it just doesn't look great. It's not a very well constructed brush. The brush itself is fine. It's actually quite soft. I like that it's got a gradient here, and I like that each thing is a different shape. An $8 kit that's a lot more portable than a 32-piece kit. Get it for whoever in your life likes makeup. Third item is... I'm great at the internet. It's a 32-piece set, and altogether with shipping, it's $9.58. These are super nice. The brushes themselves are just thicker, better quality. It's also visually better. The wrapping doesn't have, it's got a little bit of a plastic smell, but this is not made of that thick pleather. So honestly, the case is not as nice as those 2 other cases, but I would prefer higher quality brushes than cases, to be honest. If I'm going to be using this, I'm going to probably take everything out and put it in a cup. On the whole, I think this is a great little kit. 32 brushes for $9.58, including shipping. Yeah, there are makeup brushes everywhere now. And that's it for today's Morgan Reviews. If you liked it or thought it was helpful, go ahead and subscribe or click A, which is the thumbs up. Download the Shoppo app. The details are below. All the product details are below because I do my homework because I'm a Ravenclaw. Did you hear my neck just crack? And that's it for today. Bye!